Well, hello. This is Irish Rebel again, the host with the most with the white vest. Hello, everybody. I know this is not wrestling related, but I want to unbox these figures I had for a while now. This is Luigi, and we got Mario. So let's start with this one, Mario. Okay. Fairly easy there. He's in a package. So, pop the little mushroom guy out first. Got the little mushroom guy, see? And, well, he don't stand up very good. Here's Mario. Wow, that was tight. Good articulation with this little figure. Got bendy legs. Legs move. Arms move all the way around. Yeah, look at that. Head don't move. But stands up very good. Now for Luigi. Now we're going to unbox Luigi. Here we go. Oh, darn it. This is a little hard. Well, maybe not. There we go. Box is okay, but it's getting dusty. Here's the puppy's flashlight out first. So, get that. Oh! Wow. That was really hard. Oh, sorry about that. Got his little flashlight here. Little flashlight, see? Those are both plumbers. Okay. Now for Luigi. Goodness gracious. Wow, don't pop his head off. No, I didn't pop his head off almost. Oh, almost had a travesty there. There's Luigi. See? On his plumbing outfit. So, legs bend. Ankles bend. Arms go all the way around. That's good. Arms bend and twist all the way around. It's awesome. Let's see if he holds his flashlight. So, I want to see that. I can get it popped in there. Okay. Maybe not. Huh? Oh. That's going to be tight. That's going to be tight. So, well, let's try the other hand, shall we? Let's try the other hand. Oh. Well, not going in there either, darn it. Well, this is weird. I can't seem to get him into his flashlight. Oh, this is so frustrating. So frustrating. Well, darn it. I can't. So, there's Luigi. And here's Mario. Yep. So, there they are. There they both are. So, I wanted to unbox it so all of you could enjoy it. So, like I said in another video, it'll be, I'll be live this Saturday and Sunday. So, hope you enjoyed this little video. So, I will catch you all later. This is Irish Rebel with the white vest. Bye for now.